Hello and welcome to my kitchen. What better way to cool down than sipping some fruit flavored lemonade? Absolutely refreshing and really easy to make. Let's get started. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. I'm using a soft drink concentrate to make the lemonade. You could use nimbu pani also. The nimbu pani or lemonade that you make should have a concentrated flavor because we're going to add it to the drink along with other ingredients. That's ready. I have here some canned cherries, some pitted and some whole, along with the cherry syrup, sliced kiwi, some mint leaves and some tinned pineapple slices along with the pineapple syrup. I'm using a beer mug to serve the drink in. You'll also need a pestle or a muddler to muddle the fruit. So in a beer mug, add in the kiwis, reserving a few pieces for garnish or decoration. Add in a few mint leaves, use the pestle and just crush or muddle the fruit and the mint leaves so that the mint leaves release their aroma and the kiwi releases its flavor. Just keep it aside. For the second one, I'll add in some pitted cherries right at the bottom. Use the muddler. That's done. For the next one, just chop some pineapple slices into smaller pieces and add it right at the bottom of the glass. Use the muddler once again to muddle the pineapple pieces. That's done too. My lemonade is just out of the fridge and I'll add lime juice to it. Give it a final mix. So we'll also need a lot of ice and soda water to make the drink. Add in ice cubes in each of the glasses. So kiwi, pineapple and cherry. I'll add some cherry juice into the cherry glass. Some pineapple juice into the pineapple glass. Open up a bottle of soda and pour it right into the glasses. Now top it with the lemonade or nimbu pani, whatever you have. Time for the garnish. A few cherries in the cherry lemonade. Piece of kiwi goes in there. A pineapple wedge that I have slit for the pineapple lemonade. And why not some mint leaves? It's summer after all. If you don't want the flavor, Just don't crush them. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. The 3 lemonades are ready. So what do we do with the leftover lemonade or nimbu pani? We just take a bowl and the leftover fruit, some mint leaves, and muddle it up. Add them back into the jug. Some cherry and cherry juice, pineapple juice, and some soda water. Add in some ice. Give it a swirl and you have a fruit cocktail and mint lemonade. How about that? Nothing goes to waste. Finally, the refreshing fruit flavored lemonade are ready. Choose your glass, add more ice and get sipping. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.